Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for honest and thorough reviews of everyday products. Today, we have something that will make your laundry routine a whole lot easier: the Whitmor Canvas Clothespin Bag Hanging Storage Organizer. If you're someone who regularly uses a clothesline to dry your laundry, you know the struggle of keeping your clothespins organized and within easy reach. Well, this bag is here to solve that problem, and let me tell you, it's the best clothespin bag you'll ever need. First, let's talk about the design. The Whitmor Clothespin Bag is made from durable cotton canvas, which not only looks great but is also built to last. It's lightweight, so you won't have to worry about it weighing down your line or towel bar, but it's strong enough to hold over 200 clothespins without any trouble. This bag features a practical steel hook that allows you to easily hang it anywhere, on a clothesline, towel bar, or even a shower curtain bar. The hook is rust-resistant, ensuring longevity even if it gets exposed to the elements. The size is just right, measuring 10.5 by 12.5 inches. It offers ample space for storing your clothespins, but it's compact enough to hang anywhere without taking up too much room. The top is open, so you can quickly grab a clothespin when you need it, and the design ensures that they stay securely inside when not in use. No more digging through a pile of clothespins or worrying about them blowing away in the wind. But what really sets this clothespin bag apart is how it makes line drying your clothes so much more convenient. With the Whitmor Canvas Clothespin Bag, you'll never have to fumble around trying to find your clothespins again. It keeps everything neat, tidy, and within arm's reach, so you can focus on the task at hand, getting your laundry done with minimal hassle. Plus, it helps reduce the use of plastic bags or containers, making it an eco-friendly choice. Whether you're drying clothes indoors or out, the Whitmor Canvas Clothespin Bag makes a perfect addition to your laundry routine. It holds a substantial amount, keeps your clothespins organized, and is easy to hang up wherever it's most convenient for you. It's the perfect solution for those who prefer line drying their clothes and want a simple, stylish way to keep their clothespins in check. That wraps up today's review of the Whitmor Canvas Clothespin Bag Hanging Storage Organizer. If you want to make your laundry routine easier and more organized, this is definitely a must-have. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of products that make your life just a little bit better. See you in the next video.